With ChatGPT by your side, the process of making money online becomes not only accessible but also enjoyable. Let's dive deeper into freelance writing, an incredibly popular choice for many beginners. Picture this. You choose a topic you're passionate about, and you let ChatGPT help craft a compelling article or blog post. You can refine the text, adding your personal touch, ensuring it meets your client's vision perfectly. Once submitted, you'll be amazed at how effortlessly this method can generate income without demanding extensive experience or advanced writing skills. Next, imagine setting up your digital products. With ChatGPT at your disposal, brainstorming ideas for an ebook becomes a breeze. Simply input a general theme to get a structured outline rich with content suggestions. After transforming those ideas into engaging chapters, tools like Canva enable you to create stunning visuals that catch the eye of potential buyers. You could also explore selling prompt packs to attract creators looking for inspiration. The beauty of this method is the potential for passive income. Once your product is live on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, it can keep earning for you over time with minimal effort. Curious about the final method? A faceless YouTube channel can be your ticket to earnings without showing your face or even using your voice. By leveraging ChatGPT to generate engaging scripts, you can transform ideas into captivating narratives. Once you have your script, tools like Pictory or HeyGen can bring your vision to life, creating visually appealing videos that draw in viewers organically. With these methods, you can unlock new streams of income while embracing the flexibility of online work. Remember, the key is consistency and creativity. Keep experimenting, and you'll find what resonates with your audience. Now, take action and start your journey to earning online today. Follow Prompt Flow 2 for more videos on how to make money using AI.